My name's Helen Pearson and I'm a researcher at the European Cancer Stem Cell Research Centre at Cardiff University, and I'd like to thank Cancer Research and Genetics UK for donating £10,000 towards the Leica vibratome. This is it here. What we do is we put a specimen in the pot here and we're able to slice very thin sections of tissue from prostate cancer patients, but also other patients as well, so it enables us to study other diseases such as gastric cancer and breast cancer. But what we're interested in at the moment is that this machine enables us to revolutionise the tissue culture setting that we've got at the moment, because it enables us to look at multiple angles of the tissue disease in terms of its response to different therapies, because we're able to look at the immune system and the tumour microenvironment surrounding those tumour cells at the same time. So each slice enables us to cut through a section of the tumour where we can visualise all these different cells. And it's really important that we can do that so we can understand how different drugs that we're using to target the tumours with are able to impact the tumour microenvironment and the immune system to help combat that tissue, that tumour. So I'd like to thank Cancer Research and Genetics UK for their wonderful support in enabling research at Cardiff University to take this new novel approach. Thank you very much.